pulled off the side here. It was real easy. Little clips. They don't look like they're gonna break. Pulled off that side. Got this side here. There's the connector. I think we can do this without it. So I'll take out this screw and then pry off this side. Took a little bit of prying, but I popped this puppy out and it does push out this piece here. And then I was able to reach back here and grab the 2 pins and push it through. So now I can replace that part with this part. This feels much lighter than this one does, but we'll see.